In this video, we are going to see the program for linear search in an array. See, we know that array is an consecutive storage of elements, and linear search is the process by which the search is done for an element in a linear fashion. That means the element is searched from the first element till the last element until the search is found. Now, let us see the Python program for how to make the linear search. Before that, let us see the method of how the linear search works. Here we have a list of elements 1, 3, 5, 4, 7 and 9, and now we are supposed to search for the element 7. So the system keeps on checking for the element whether the key is equal to 7 or not. So first the element is checked with the 1, it is not the key. Then it is checked with the element 3, it is not the key, and that is called the key element. We are going to search 7 is the key element, and then if you go for the next element 5, that is not the key, 5 not equal to 7, and then it will go for the next element with the 4 not equal to 7, and finally when it comes to this position 7 is equal to 7. Therefore the search is stopped over here. So the linear search starts from the first element till the successful search is found, or till the last element. Until the last element, if the search element is not found, it gives the message as element not found in the list. Now let us see how this Python program works for this. First we define a function called linear search, and the parameters are the list, number of elements and the key you want to search. And then here it's a comment statement searching the list 1 sequentially. So how to search for I in 1 range of 0, n. It is going to search from the first element till the last element. And what is it is going to check? The checking is if list 1 of I is equal to key. This is an equal to relational operator checking whether the list 1 of I, that is the first element, is the key. If it is the key, then return I. Otherwise return -1. Here when you say -1, it is the negative message saying that the element is not found. If it returns I, means the element is found in the list. Okay, so this is the function definition. The function always starts with the define def keyword and it ends with the return keyword, and the function definition is over here. Now the program is assigning a list of elements 1, 3, 5, 4, 7 and 9, and then key is the element 7, and we are using the function called len to find the length of this list, that is assigned to the variable n. Now we are printing all the contents. So what is the content here? The elements in the list 1, it will display the content of the list. The key element, the key. The length of the list n, that is the size of the list, how many elements are there in the list, it is displayed over here. Now the real logic starts from here. Res is equal to linear search list 1 n comma key. The function is called. So when the function is called, it will return the value to the variable res. If the res is -1, it is an unsuccessful search, the element not found. If the res is equal to other value, that is the I value other than -1, it is called as the successful search, and that is the index of the element. It returns the I is the index of the element. What is the index? The position of the element. Now here if checking the if condition, here if else statement, if res is equal to -1, then print element not found. The message is negative message saying that the list successfully completed, but the element is not found. If not, the next statement else is executed. Here else print element found at index. Index is the position, that is the then the res is the value of the position. So this is what the program does. So the logic is in the last few lines. The checking is done by this is the logic, the definition of the function, and here from the result of the function res, the system will print the message whether it is a successful search or an unsuccessful search. If it is successful search, the position of the element is printed. Let us see the output of the program. Now the output says that the elements in the list are 1, 3, 5, 4, 7, 9. The key element is 7. That means we are going to find the element 7 in the list in this list. So now the length of the list is 6. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are here. The length of the list is 6. And element found at index 4. What is the element you are going to search for is the 7. 7 is the element. What is the index? That is the I. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So here the element is found in the fourth index. Here actually the index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 5 is the 6 elements, but the element is found in the fourth index. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the fourth position, that is in the fourth index, the element 7 is found. So that's all the program logic to find the element using the linear search. Hope it is easy to follow. Thanks for watching.